How to remove background noise on CapCut PC. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To reduce the background noise in your CapCut PC, start off by launching a CapCut application in your PC. Make sure that you have selected a video and added a voiceover or a audio file. Once you have added over here, make sure you have dragged in the timeline that is right here in this section. Now to remove the background noise in your video or the audio, what you need to do is basically click on the audio file, then head over to the basic option. Right over here, scroll down until you see this option of reduce noise. Make sure that it is toggled on. If it looks something like this, just go ahead and tap on this box. By tapping on it, now you have been able to reduce the background noise in your video. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for tuning in. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.